The way that we can use a Keynote presentation is to send the presentation out of Keynote, this time as a movie. So I'm going to use that same tool that I used before, our three dots right up here. This time we are exporting again, but we're sliding down to the movie section this time. All right, so we can see what we can do with this movie. We can, of course, adjust the resolution of that. The larger it is, the bigger the file will be. And we can change the slide range. And we can also decide how long to go to the next slide. So in this case, there's going to be a 6-second view of the slide. And if there's any builds in the original transitions, animations, those kinds of things, you know, how long until you move on to that. So you set that all up, and then you hit export. And so it's going to take my presentation, including all of my builds, all of my transitions, and also remember we talked about that multimedia component and adding audio into the particular Keynote presentations. It'll bring those in as well. So we have voiceovers that are now going to be a part of our movie. We're going to have the transitions and the slides. All of that is going to package together into a neat final movie that I then can use somewhere else. Someone can just view that movie. We can place it online or on YouTube, or we can bring it into other apps. And we'll talk about that in just a moment. As this is wrapping up, you can see it's the longer your presentation, the longer this will take. And then it gives me the chance to share. In this case, I'm just going to click Save Video. And that will be in my camera roll. And when I go to my camera roll, you can see this is the video playing, complete with any transitions that are a part of it. So it looks truly like a video with those animations as a part of it. And then I can share it out as a video in any of those video editing platforms. Great way to send a presentation out to be an asynchronous, where you don't need a live audience, tool that can be viewed by lots of people.